The ocean covers over 70% of our planet. It drives our water cycle, weather, and climate. Its powerful energy can unleash the world's most destructive storms. Yet the ocean is also vulnerable, impacted by our actions. In the past, the ocean was the great unknown. For thousands of years, weather hazards resulted in lives and goods being lost at sea. But in the 1850s, countries started sharing weather information, which helped mariners to avoid these hazards. And so followed the birth of the International Meteorological Organization in 1873, the predecessor of the World Meteorological Organization, WMO. The tragic sinking of the Titanic in 1912 led to the International Convention for Safety of Life at Sea, which relies on meteorologists for accurate marine weather information, forecasts, and early warnings. Today, around 90% of global trade is transported by sea, and 40% of our population lives within 100 kilometers of coasts. And yet, the ocean's health is at risk. The ocean absorbs over 90% of the heat trapped by increasing greenhouse gas emissions, warming the water and leading to marine heat waves, melting ice, and sea level rise. Understanding the connection between the ocean, weather, and climate has never been more important. The more we understand, the better we can predict and prepare for the weather and climate hazards on land and sea. Information about the ocean helps guide decisions in many areas of life. Coastal areas, pummeled by intense storms, use ocean and atmospheric information to accurately predict and forecast the severity and duration of these events. Ocean information is also vital to improving seasonal sea ice predictions, helping ships to safely plan their routes and enabling coastal communities to stay safe. Climate variability due to changing sea surface temperatures, atmospheric pressure, and wind can influence seasonal weather patterns, making it warmer or cooler or wetter or drier than normal. Understanding these changes allows for better predictions and more effective planning. Knowing ocean currents and drift patterns helps ships to navigate and fishers to map their routes, while also improving search and rescue operations and responses to hazards such as oil spills. To understand the ocean, we need sustained research and observations. WMO, together with other United Nations agencies and partners, plays a critical role in driving international collaboration, ensuring the collection of ocean data around the globe and its free and open distribution. Understanding how to use this data for forecasts and models is also critical. Through projects, transfer of technology and training activities, WMO empowers meteorological services with the knowledge and capacity to provide better early warnings and information to help protect communities from hazards. Despite the advances made, much remains unknown about the ocean. To understand our weather and climate, we need to know more about the ocean, today and for our future.